bro, don't just give every girl you see your time and attention. Stop wasting your time and look for the girls that you know that's wifey material. For example, she's not useless. You want a woman that understands life, that understands its difficulties, and that understands how to handle them. Even if you're set as a man, even if you got bread, you want a woman that will ride with you to the ground, and even then still be able to maneuver in that area once you're at nothing and have to rebuild. Number 2, she needs to be beautiful. You want that girl to be beautiful. It would be a lie for me to tell you, oh, just care about the inside. No, it matters. The outside matters a lot. See, if that girl is ugly and you just get with her because that's the best you could have done and you're just comfortable, you're going to always feel like, man, I could probably do better. And you'll always be looking around. Most of the cheating happens because of this. You didn't end up marrying or hooking up or being with that one girl you actually wanted to be with. You're with whoever you're comfortable with. 3, you want a girl that puts in effort in her appearance. You want a girl that's fit, physically fit, that stays healthy, skinny, that goes to the gym, that works on herself, that puts on the makeup, that dresses nice, that actually puts effort to look good when she's around you. You want that type of girl. And by the way, I'm putting you to the same standard, right? I don't even care if you're married. You still need to get your ass to the gym. You still need to lift weights. You still need to put on that muscle. You still need to build yourself up. You still need to continue to build your empire. You still need to dress well. And see, for men, it's not even that hard. For men to dress well, you got to do the bare minimum. Wear stuff that fits, bro. It can be as simple as t-shirts. But if the t-shirt fits right, if it looks good, especially in all the right areas, you're good, bro. Look at our t-shirts from Essentials. Our bamboo t-shirts are the best-selling t-shirts in the world, made from a bamboo cotton blend, naturally antibacterial, and feels like silk. Sits across the chest and the arms nice and tight so you look jacked, but enough room in the waist so you hide imperfections. Yo, look for clothing like that. Our Tencel tees, which are made from wood chips, from eucalyptus trees, and cotton blend. Again, soft as silk. They're long sleeve, they're lightweight, and they make you look amazing. You don't need a lot of money. You don't need the best and the greatest designer. Stick to your essentials. Matter of fact, if you guys click the link down below, I'm gonna give you our 8-pack t-shirt bundle. I did this bundle about 2 weeks ago and it went crazy. Yo, we sold like madmen. So I want to give you an offer again today. You're going to get 4 bamboo tees in every single color, and you're going to get 4 Tencel t-shirts in every single color. That is 8 t-shirts. Basically 1 a week plus an extra one. You're good. I've basically redone your entire wardrobe with these t-shirts. You're going to look amazing every day of the week, and it's only going to be $180. Bro, that is an absolute steal. Like I said, bro, if you guys want to check out this offer, it'll be linked down below. It's only going to last the next 24 hours. 4, she comes from a 2-parent household. You want a girl that has seen what a male role model looks like, and what it looks like for a mother to respect that male figure, etc. And again, yes, there's great women that come from single-parent households. But if you want to increase your chances of success, usually women that come from single mother households, they always have this I don't need a man mentality. So now you got to deal with all that attitude for what? For what are you going to give yourself that headache when you got 3.5 billion other options out there? Number 5, she is nurturing. So you're looking for a mother. You're looking for a great mother. She's gonna be the one that bears your children. Again, look at family. How does she treat her mom? How does she treat her dad? With resentment? With disrespect? Or loving, caring, nurturing? That's how she's gonna treat you in a few years. Yeah, she's lovey-dovey now in the honeymoon stage. In 3 to 4 years, she's gonna treat you that same way. That naturally comes out. That's who they are. You can't change that. So increase your chances of success by finding a woman that's naturally nurturing. So when you're beat up, when you're out there working and hustling to make sure you provide, there's gonna be days you're beat up. You want a girl that's gonna be there to nurture you, take care of you, that's gonna love you. Those same qualities will transfer down to your kids. And finally, number 6, you want her to have brains. You want her to be intellectual. A woman that's ambitious is a good thing. Women naturally are better multitaskers than men. We know this. We as men, we're great to focus on a singular task, and we will excel on that task because we'll forget about everything else. But women can multitask. Women can take care of the kids. They can nurture you, and they can be ambitious themselves. They can have their goals. That is great for them to do because she will relate and understand your work ethic. My wife understands everything I go through because she had to go through all her own stuff. So when I tell her I have to work, when I tell her I'm tired, when I tell her I have to put in more hours, she gets it. There's never any nagging. She just understands. That's because unlike other women, you don't want women that are airheads, that believe just money comes from the sky, that believe that all the attention needs to go to them. A woman that has brains, that has ambition, that's a great thing. But you need to understand one thing. You need to be a man that's built. You need to be a man that continues to grow and is ambitious, because those type of women will leave you in the dust, bro.